All right, here goes. Carolina Reaper. Ready?
Britney Spears nibbles on pickle spears when she pierces her ears. Britney Spears nibbles on pickle spears when she pierces her ears.
I would not swallow that.
It actually tastes really good.
How about now?
It's got a little bit of heat to it.
Isn't this
It's-
the hottest pepper? That's
So it's not unbearable, but it's heating up a little bit.
it's gonna get worse.
That's what I assume. I don't want the seed caught in my mouth.
That sucks when I have braces.
Oh yeah.
Because I got some stuck in my braces and then it just burned. Felt like I wanted to rip out my tooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thinking about braces, seeds under that would be worse.
Oh yeah.
I like when I'm having a conversation and seeing how long it takes.
Am I turning red? I was already red. It's cold outside. No?
Well, that's why you're not feeling the effect, because it was cold outside, now it's warm in here. Why?
No, I'm feeling the effects. My mouth is on fire. Like all my saliva's starting. It's hot. Like back of my throat.
Yeah, I know what hot things taste like. I just think you regret doing this. Or if you don't, then I don't know why. You purposely chose to do this for yourself.
Yeah, well, the person who gave it to me wanted to see me eat it,
Oh,
so.
the person? Somebody gave it to you.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
I thought you just, like, bought one, like, I'm gonna ruin my mouth today.
You staying there? Because 20 on, 20 off, and bring it back.
Whew.
What?
Did you do it?
Yeah,
What happened to
It's
Brady?
hot.
Crying a little? He his ankle at soccer.
ooh, it's hot. It's been 3 minutes and I got just fire.
Which kind was this one?
This is the Carolina Reaper.
He twisted his ankle and he can't move at all.
No. I should check my pulse.
I understand why soccer players turn out the way they do now.
Was it?
Because he just twisted his ankle.
Yeah. Okay. His ankle's all swollen. So my
That's it?
I'm up at 103.
Huh?
That's it? To get out of...
My heart rate.
It's up to 103. Sitting there.
Like I'm running.
To lay down and do nothing, I just have to twist my ankle and get it to swell?
Really?
That's all?
Really?
I got 3 concussions for that?
Could have just twisted the ankle, could have.
Okay,
No,
now my eyes are watering.
I don't...
Hey,
Mom, I don't play soccer.
How long
When
do you
work
have to
like
wait
that.
before you can have something to drink? Is it
I'm
60
waiting
hours?
5 minutes because that's what when I saw people online, that's what they waited.
Well, Mom, I'm not a soccer player. I couldn't get away with that.
You think you're tough, huh?
No, I'm pretty sure if I just twisted an ankle at football practice, they would kick me until I got up.
Probably.
They'd slap a little Sesame Street band-aid on there and say, go get back out there. Slap you on the butt.
Whew.
It's like 1,500 volts. Tonight, for NBC's Brooklyn
by your house.
That's hot.
Just avoid it.
When it's muddy, it's hard to.
My nose is watering.
But when it's muddy, the holes aren't as much as a problem. When it's muddy, the roots are more of a problem. But that's why you look out around trees. Because
Okay.
roots don't just pop out of the ground. They usually
Now I'm gonna
come from something.
go get something to drink. It's been 5.5 minutes. My mouth's on fire, and my eyes are watering. Whew. It's now been 10 minutes. My eyes are watering. I've had 2 glasses of milk and some bread, and my mouth is still on fire. So it's been about 30 minutes since I ate it. I have had quite a bit of milk. I had some bread, some honey. My mouth has still got a pretty decent heat to it, but that didn't come anywhere near close to what I expected after seeing other people eat these peppers. The taste was awesome. I look forward to making a salsa, maybe throwing some in a beer or something, but not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. I'd probably do it again too.